How's it going, everybody? Today you can see we're doing something completely different. Got my PlayStation 4 here on the desk and I'm going to take it apart to clean it. So this is just for your entertainment and to see how dusty this is for being not cleaned since I got it. It's been 6 years, I have never cleaned it, so let's see what it looks like inside. It's a pretty cool looking screw. I'll show you once I get it out. Let's see, I'll make sure it focuses. Look at that, it has PlayStation buttons on it. It's pretty cool. Also got a special screwdriver, had a hard time finding it. I found it at my local Canadian Tire because I'm from Canada, so we got Canadian Tire. But it has this special bit, I may as well keep it in the screwdriver. It's a special security bit which has a hole in the middle. And for some reason, like they say it's I think it's a T9 security bit, and it actually goes by another name as well. That's why I had such a hard time finding it. I'll go find the actual case for it. It is actually, it's a T9H. So sometimes they'll say it's a T9H or just a T9, but I don't know. I think just the T9 doesn't have the hole in the middle, so you will need the one with the special hole in the end. That's not focusing, but yeah. So T9H, I got Mastercraft screwdriver set. So this is for computers, consoles, and cell phones, so if you guys want to buy it, there you go. So I guess I took off this sticker for no reason since we aren't taking off the top, but I guess if you did want to take off the top piece, you can unscrew that. But you just need to take off these 3 screws to take off the bottom. So yeah, there we go. Just gotta kind of peel up. Oh, that part came off. Come on. Ugh, don't want to break it. Because yeah, the rest of this is loose right now, just this corner. It's giving me issues. Oh, there we go. And then it just slides off like that. Oh yeah, and there's a bit of dust you can see. Ooh yeah, right here. For some reason there's like, I'll try to show it better. There's quite a bit of dust in there. Wow. That's just the bottom casing, so yeah. Ooh, the fan is bad. I didn't even look yet. Oh wow. Yeah. You can see all that dust in there. It's not too bad. Surprisingly isn't very bad for being 6 years used and not cleaned like ever, so yeah. Not bad. guy in the video said it'll be hard to do as well, but wow. Oh, there we go. Now what? Didn't feel as confident of like just resting this on the table, so I put the PlayStation stand. I'm like holding it, holding the power supply with the stand, so it's just a bit up. This actually looks really cool. I'll go move the camera a bit closer. That looks super cool. Look at that. Also, you don't want to let the fan spin on its own. That can like short circuit some stuff. That's why I'm holding it, if you're wondering. Also gotta reach around the camera so it might look kind of funny. I think that's all for the canned air at the moment. I will be using some Q-tips just to clean out the actual fan blades, and then yeah. I'm not using anything to wet these Q-tips, but some people do. I'm not, because I don't want to get any liquids near my electronics. Plus this isn't very bad compared to some I've seen on YouTube. This is just like scrubbing off the dust that wasn't blown away. Yeah, I think we're done. I'll show you a close-up of that. It's very clean now. Yeah, I think that looks really cool. I got a little Swiffer pad thing, and I'll just clean out the inside of this. Yeah, right now it's still got some stuck on it. And I will say, like, personally, this is one of the best consoles I've ever owned, and I love the design. I love the kind of like shiny, let's see, I can tilt the camera a bit. Love the shiny plastic with the matte plastic. Looks amazing. I love the angled like looks of this. I also love the LED light strip on it. That looks amazing, and I'm so glad they added back the LED light strips on the PlayStation 5, because the PlayStation 4 Slim and the PlayStation 4 Pro, they actually got rid of the light strips for some reason. But anyways, enough rambling on. I will get back to spraying this down and then put it back together. Pretty well-designed console, I will say that. And this metal plate goes right over the fan, which is excellent as well for heat distribution. Anyways, now that it's all put back together, I'm gonna go plug it in and see if it still works. Hope it works, it better. Looks like everything's working. I've been playing for a little bit, and as you can hear, it's not too loud. Yeah, now you can hear it's starting to ramp up the fans a bit. But anyways, if you enjoyed this content, be sure to leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe. It helps me out quite a lot, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!